Here I'm going to talk about condensation and hydrolysis reactions. Now, this is probably not a new topic to many of you because in different videos I also mentioned them, but right now I would like to talk to them in relation to monomers, dimers, and polymers. So some overlapping information here to other topics. Let's review over here. A condensation reaction is the joining of monomers, single units, into dimers, which are basically double units, and polymers, and in the process forming water. I'm going to explain this later. In contrast, a hydrolysis reaction goes the other direction. You have larger molecules and you break it down into smaller molecules, and this requires water. Next one, up, and okay, here we are again. The next one, how do I do that? It got stuck. Okay, well, that's kind of interesting right now. I can use the pen as a pointer. But there is no possibility for me to kind of switch back to the pen. Here I am right now. Okay, now it doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. Isn't this kind of sad? Essentially ink color. Okay, I kind of lost the. So that's okay. Look, this is the pen. The pen works, but I cannot erase anything. No, now I can erase something. Okay, here we go. Well, I don't know if how do I get the next one? Okay, I gotta use the keyboard. Okay, what a pity. Okay, a monomer is a single unit. A dimer are two monomers bonded together. Polymer is a chain of monomers. I know what you're thinking. You're wondering, is Mr. Kim doing this deliberately? All these mistakes just to keep, I don't know, the presentation interesting, or does this really happen to him? I'll be very honest. I really have some problems. Okay, well, let me explain it here. Back to the topic. A monomer is a single unit. I'm just going to draw this thing over here. That's a monomer. A dimer is, so I have two monomers over here, and if I connect them together, what do I have? I have a dimer. And what's a polymer? If I keep on adding these monomers, many of these, if I keep on adding them, then essentially I get a polymer. And that's it. Okay? Many, I should actually say many. So these are monomers. These are dimers. And these are polymers. So of what? A monomer, dimer, polymers, well, generally. These are just general terms of pretty much anything. If you have a single chain element, if you have a now the laser pointer works again. If you have a single chain element, then you refer to these as monomers. And if you connect them together, you have a dimer. So two chain elements connected together. And this could be pretty much anything. Could be amino acids, could be glucose molecules, could be nucleotides forming nucleic acids, DNA and RNA and stuff like that. So that's a very, very general thing. But the point is it's related to condensation and hydrolysis because when you join them, then in the process, over here, you make water, a water molecule, H2O. And this is a so-called condensation reaction. And if you add many monomers together over here, then you also form a lot of water in the process. So actually I should write down many water molecules, many H2O. And if you go the other direction, you basically need water and you're breaking it down. And that's already it. So what's the whole point of this slide? The whole point is that you should know the terms monomer, dimers, and polymers. That's pretty much it, okay?